Go.
So I'm trying to make this video, and I had to stop because somebody is... I can't do anything until that stops. Okay, are we ready? Can I do this? Okay. All right. All right, come on, outside. All right, take 27. Hey everybody, so when we are out boondocking, we often think about the security of the rig when we're not there, when we're out hiking or whatever. We don't like these windows just to be opened, even if they're locked. It's just this little plastic, and then they have full access. So we only want the window to be opened about this far, figure about 7 inches or so. That way somebody might be able to get their hand in, but they can't reach around and get to this. So what we're doing, I went to Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, and bought a 3-foot piece of 1/4 inch aluminum solid pin, whatever it's called. And all we're gonna do, we're just gonna drill a hole. This right here is a slide, so it's plastic, so it's going to run up a little bit. Don't worry about that. And then go back and vacuum that up. But that'll just slide right back in. So underneath your frame right here is foam. It's foam insulation. So your pin will stop at the foam. That'll just go in right there. If you want it to go down further, just drill a little bit further. Drill a little bit deeper. So now, that's as far as that window's going to open. And then when you want to open it all the way, just take that pin out. We hope this helps somebody. And for small vertical or horizontal windows, just put the pin 1 inch or 2 away from the sliding window.